Right, at long last, here's the completed video of the Gloster Gladiator I've been building. I made it as the version that was in Egypt in the early part of World War II, a camouflage version. I've got its cockpit open, and you can't probably see very well because it's dark even in daylight, but I've tried a lot of detail on the cockpit as much as I could. Got the decals in there and painted the seats. Got some tape harnesses as well. I don't know if you can see that on the camera there, and the option to have the cockpit open and the side door open. Got the matte area here, which I've used masking tape, Tamiya tape to tape off to get some nice lines there. It's got a good engine. It's a 3-part engine, but you can't see it like most good modelling. You can't see the finished product because it's all hidden behind something else. The only thing I don't like about this particular build is that the propeller is a bit wobbly, because the peg which holds it in place isn't quite tight inside the mounting of the area, but got the option to leave the spinner off, so you can do some cocktail painting of the bolts that holds it on. The pins are a bit thin, so you've got to be careful you don't knock those. I used anthracite rather than black to paint the black parts, because I thought it's going to get dusty. And underneath you can see it's got the alternative intake there, so for air filter or oil filter, I can't remember which it is, and the exhausts quite well moulded. Smallest part I think I used was the step, which is very hard to put on, but you've got to use your steady hand as much as you can. I didn't do any of the bracing. I just thought I give up. I run out of courage for that, and just give up. I'll try again one day, perhaps when I've got a nice tweezers that'll help me with that. The other small part is the, if I put it this way, the starter handle, which they supply with the kit, which is fun to stick on. Looks as if it's ready to be started. Doors are open. All you need is a pilot in a hurry to run up, strap in and get on with it. So there we are. The other thing I did underneath was try and dust it a bit, put some exhaust stain and a bit of brown to act as a bit of dust. Can't really see much weathering on it, but it's token weathering. And there you are, my latest Gloster Gladiator build. Alright, bye.